Remember, when you are measuring, use a scale to measure your ingredients out. Hello everyone, I'm Angie Styles. If you are new here, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification icon so that you can get notified anytime I upload a new video. So this is a requested video from one of my subscribers. Yeah, you know yourself, so I'm here to answer your request. I'm here to give out a recipe or formula that will help reduce stretch mark if you already have the stretch mark, and this formula will also prevent you from having stretch mark at all, especially when you are pregnant. Okay, and the ingredients we are using here is very, very natural and safe for you and your baby. So the formula I will be giving out today is for pregnant people and before and after birth. Okay, like if you are pregnant, you can start using it, applying it all over your body, especially your stomach areas, to avoid the stretch mark at all from occurring. Then if you already have the stretch mark after having baby, you can also be using this. It will help reduce the stretch mark on your body. Consistency, like I always say on this channel, is the key to everything. Okay, just keep using the products constantly every day, maybe twice in a day. Keep applying it, and I promise you it's going to help reduce the stretch mark on your body if it's too much. Then if it's not too much, it has not gone to the third grade level, it will vanish. Your stretch mark will vanish. But if it has gone deep, it will help reduce it. But constantly using it, it might help clear it or help make it rhyme with your skin, your normal skin tone. Because you see some are whitish, while some are it will be different color while your skin is different. Those ones that are too noticeable, it will help blend it with your skin. Okay, so let's get into the formula. All right, guys, so I've measured out all the ingredients that we will be needing. I've measured it out. Don't worry, I'm going to still give you out the ingredients and measurements and the recipe I have here. So I'm about to turn it, as you can see. So in here I have 67% castor oil. Okay, remember what we are making is stretch mark oil for pregnant mamas. Okay, before and after. This here is safe, very safe for pregnant mamas before and after giving birth. So I have 67% castor oil. Okay. Then number 2 thing I have here is the miracle oil for every scar on your body, which is TAMANU oil. I don't know if I pronounce it well, but TAMANU oil. So I have 30% of TAMANU oil in here also. That is the dark one you are seeing on top. I have not mixed it together, so it's still floating on top. Then I have vitamin E oil here. I have 2% vitamin E oil in here also. And I also have patchouli essential oil, 0.5% of patchouli essential oil is also here. And lastly, I have lavender essential oil, 0.5%. So you mix everything. As you can see, I've measured. I have the castor oil there, the tamanu oil, the vitamin E oil, patchouli oil, and the lavender. Patchouli, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it, but everything will be on the screen. The measurements and the ingredients used will be on the screen so that you can read it in case I did not pronounce it well. Okay, so I measure it here. So after measuring all your ingredients out, all you need to do is then stir, as I'm doing. So stir it properly for everything to mix. Use a teaspoon. You are doing it wrong. Okay, you are doing it wrong. So always use a scale, a measuring scale, to measure your ingredients so that you can get accurate measurement for your ingredients, especially when it comes to oils. Oils don't weigh the same, trust me. If you use spoon, you will get it wrong. People come to ask me about what I should convert it to spoon. I can't convert it to spoon because spoon is wrong. Using spoon measurement is wrong. Get a little kitchen scale and use it. Those small scale, I believe there's some scale that is less than $10. Get scale and use it to measure. When you are doing DIY small things like this, you should get that small scale until when when you get to professional formulating this thing, then you cannot get the bigger ones. Okay, so you measure all your ingredients, mix it. After mixing it, this is how it's going to be. Hope you can see it well. See, so after mixing it properly, you get something like this. This thing you see here is miracle oil. Yes, my client, they call it miracle oil. Where is that your miracle oil? They don't joke with this. This not only for stretch mark, any scar on your body, it helps take care of it if you use it consistently. Okay, it helps with acne. Even those acne scars, it helps with it. Some people don't like the smell. They will tell me, I say, use it. Instead, use it every night. If you can't use it during the day, use it every night. So after mixing it this way, what you do, how to apply it, pour it into a bottle. Before I start telling you how to apply it, let's pour it out first. I will be using a dark bottle. I'm recycling this bottle. So I did not remove the label. I'm using a dark bottle like this, like so. So after mixing it properly, then you pour it into a dark. Always store your treatment oils and serums, especially the ones this type. Store them in a dark, oh my goodness, I've messed up. Store them in a dark container. In a dark container like so that you don't expose it to lighting. You don't expose it to direct light. Okay. I need this, have a dropper. So you can use this kind of container to store it, or you can use a spray this thing, a bottle that have sprayer, okay, or even this cap. But make sure you use a dark bottle to store it, so that so this is it. I don't want to be showing this thing because the label on it is not what is inside. So you store it like this. So to use it, you can see the dropper. See the color of the oil. So you drop some on the affected area where you have those stretch marks, in your hand, in your buttocks, in your belly. Drop it there and massage it very well. Okay, do this after. Now let's go to the tips. Tip number 1, when you have stretch mark, make sure you exfoliate. Okay, start with exfoliation. Okay, exfoliate, then tone. When I talk about tone, are you gonna tone my stomach again? Yes, tone your belly. Have this dry mask sheet, then get natural toner. Like the natural toner I always recommend for stretch mark is what's the name, rosemary. If you have rosemary leaf, brew it, put that the sheet inside it to soak, then take it out and then place it on your stomach. Place how many, I don't know how big your stomach is, depends, and cover it and leave it there for some time, okay, for you to soak it up. Then you use and wipe it, okay, if it's in your tummy or anywhere it is, but tone, yeah, use it and wipe it. Then after that, then you apply the oil on it, okay. So this oil will help to prevent stretch mark if you are pregnant. It will help to prevent you from having the stretch mark at all. Use it every morning and night, twice a day, okay. You can even use it 3 times a day if you can. Always be applying it so that that place, the moisture will lock in everything, so that it doesn't stretch, so that your skin doesn't stretch. It will lock in. Just keep that place moisturized. Another good one, but this is not for pregnant, another good product that works for stretch mark is anything containing vitamin A, okay. Like I have vitamin A enriched cream. Those are the cream I recommend for people that already have stretch mark, that are not pregnant, because you don't recommend it for a pregnant person. It's not good for a, but after giving birth you can be using it. After giving birth, use this oil. After the oil, then you use that vitamin A cream and moisturize that place. If you keep doing it, it's going to take care of it, okay. Then after giving birth, you can also use any product containing alpha hydroxy acid, okay. It helps also, okay. So those are the tips I'm going to be giving you. But if you are pregnant, this oil is very good for you, okay, to avoid the stretch mark. And after you give birth, keep using it. Then, when your baby gets to maybe about 3 months or 6 months, you can now add the vitamin A cream to it. Normally I used to get I'm going to make another video. If you guys want to do, if you want, you can let me know under. I'm going to make a video on how I mix the vitamin A cream with some some oils that help treat the stretch mark on your, even if it's stubborn stretch mark, it will help clean it. And also use exfoliating lotion, okay. Exfoliating lotion around that place to exfoliate. Then before applying it, it will help like keep it smooth and then help the thing blend with your skin, okay. So this formulation is simple, just 5 ingredients only. You don't need too much. We have the basic. You see that TAMANU oil there? Only that TAMANU oil alone we do the magic. So we have castor oil, which is the best, as you can see on I'm going to, under the description also, I'm going to put all the benefits of all these 5 oils I use here, so that you can see the magic they does on stretch mark, okay. So sweetheart, I hope I have satisfied your your question. I hope I have given you what you want. So if you are the one, or maybe it's your patient, your customer suffering from it, or your clients, whoever, this is the formula you should make for them, okay. Where to get all these ingredients, I'm going to also link it below in the description, in this description area, okay. Check out where to get all the ingredients. Make it for the person, or make it and use it for yourself, and you will be fine, okay. Remember, consistency is the key. Before we go, please don't forget, if you have any question, if you have any video demand, any video you want to request, you want me to make, let me know. But I get a lot of message and complaints. Some people say they making all this formula that I'm giving out, they find it difficult to get the ingredients, that I should start making the simple DIY home remedy that they can find the ingredients in their house or use. So now I'm going to be leaving this question for you guys, and I'm going to still ask this question on my post area. So check out the community post and answer, go vote. So I want to know, which video actually do you guys want to start seeing on this channel? Do you want to see more on this channel? Is it the formulation video that I'll give out, like the one I did when we gave out a skin brightening formula that somebody requested for? that person just started her business, and I'm so glad. You see, she started her business all brightening. I just gave her the face care set and the body care set. She sent me the picture, and I'm so happy for her. So giving her that recipe, she started trying. She of course she has some try and errors here and there, but finally she used those recipe I gave her that is on this channel here to start her brightening, her skin brightening line. Now she have her brand. So that is it. So if you want me to give out recipe, those are for people that already know how to formulate. I give you out recipe that you can use to start up a particular brand, a line, any line at all. You make sure, okay, I want skin brightening line, I want acne brand, acne care line, I want to start this thing. Tell me, then I will give out a recipe that can help you start that you can make. Okay, you can make. Of course, you have to know how to formulate already. All you need is a recipe that works, that you can use and start up your business and start making by yourself. Then even if it's a men line or baby care line, let me know. But if you don't want those and you want me to be doing DIY home remedy like the one I just posted, like the one the last video one, you can also let me know. Okay, you can also let me know so that I can make more of DIY home remedy that you can use to take care of your skin at home. Okay, I hope you guys understand me. So that is it. So check out the community, because I'm going to ask that question for you to vote. The majority carries the vote. Let's see which video you want to see more here, and I will be giving it out to you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Okay, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. Okay, subscribe and also hit the notification icon so that you can get notified anytime I upload a new video, like I always say. And I will see you guys in my next day, organically and naturally beautiful.